Welcome to Kokobula community again. We continue with our teachings around Bantu medicine, spirituality, the beliefs, spells, and so on. This time around we are on the topic Idliso and the vomiting Idliso. Idliso is a word for slow poison and Bantu happenings. Traditional and spiritual healing, Idliso and Idliso vomiting. In Shona languages of Zimbabwe, they call it Mufuriwa or Kudyiswa, mushonga, werudo or Kudyiswa, meaning being poisoned by means of Bantu, muthi, mushonga, slow poison. There are many words in Zulu languages of South Africa for Idliso. They are Intando Umandangaphakathi and of course Idliso. It is called Igobondela and also Idliso in Ndebele language of Zimbabwe. The Venda people of South Africa call it Tshiliso, Idliso, Tshiliso and Kudyiswa. Words refers to both Idliso as love spells and as slow poison. Intando Umandangaphakathi and Igobondela specifically refer to Idliso as the love spell. Ngubani, odlisa, omunye, ukuze, kube, njani. Who gives who Idliso for what? Abantu, abaningi, abesilisa, nabesifazana, bakholelwa ukuthi Idliso ngumuthi odliswa umuntu, wesilisa, ngowesifazana, ukuze amthande. Yebo kunjalo, kodwa Idliso liza ngendlela eziningi ezehlukile. Ngisho nabanye abesilisa bayabadlisa abesifazana. Umuntu usuke efake omunye Idliso ukuze amthande ngokwevile, okweqile, nokudlulele, aphinde amlawule. Indoda uma idlisiwe ngowesifazana ayikwazi ukuzwa abanye abantu, izwa yena nje yedwa. Ngisho eseyihlomekisa eyifaka ngekhanda iyamlalela yenze ibone ngoba isisezinkingeni, kanti isangaphinde yenze okunye futhi akushoyo ngoba idlisiwe. Ngeke azwe ngisho nabazali bakhe imbala. Leli dliso ke alibulali ngaphandle kokuba lixushwe kabi ngomafundane, lenzana isithutha nje. Idliso comes in two ways, as a love spell and or slow poison. Idliso is muthi. That one is given to it so that they may become a slave of love and do everything that the partner who cast the spell wants them to do. One becomes so blind in love that he or she can't say no to anything. Idliso does not only come in a form of love spell, as we have stated above. It also comes in a form of a slow poison where one would have privately or secretly put it in someone's food and then it becomes a slow poison. Umuthi, Idliso, with an intention to harm and kill you over a period of time. Of course, there is a type of Idliso or mixtures that have been done by the new people in the world of love spells, Idliso and magic charms, that when they expire become a sickness that relates to severe chest problems or TB, tuberculosis. In this instance, Idliso then becomes fatal, and I, Kokovula, don't call that Idliso, but a fatal mistake of the chancers who take chances when it comes to spiritualism and muthi. Please, good people, subscribe, like, read, make comments on these articles. I thank you.
Isandla sami silama